Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you what's inside my fridge. Ugh, not looking forward to this, but let's get started. Okay, I want to keep this short because it's a little embarrassing and I don't know where to start. So as you can see from the back corner, there's a bottle of juice, a bottle of milk, yogurt, non-fat, usually Greek yogurt. It looks like we have some coleslaw from last night. We went to Applebee's a couple days ago, so this is kind of old. It looks like ribs and some really nasty looking vegetables. And then we have refried beans. We eat this stuff a lot. And then in the back there we have mashed potato, or mashed potato salad, I think. A potato salad, I don't know. This is something my mom made. I don't know what that stuff is. It looks pretty gross. I'm gonna put that up there. And this looks like the same stuff. These are tortillas from I don't know how long ago. I'm gonna stick that down there. That's ratha. If you don't know what ratha is, check out my other video. I actually go through the whole process of making it. That's pretty old too. I think I made that last week, so there's that. Oh my gosh, I think there's like a frozen jug of something back there. These are pickles. I'm just gonna put it up here. Eggs. Probably don't need that. An egg holder. I'm gonna set this out here. Let me grab that item back there because this is ancient. Oh my gosh, look guys. There's like ice on top. These are pickles too, like from like 5 months ago. That's so weird. I'm gonna open this up. All right, so if you can see, that's pretty gross. That's what it looks like. It's frozen on top. And it wasn't even in the freezer. It was in the refrigerator. So let's see. Oh, that's so gross. Break! Arrgh! Nope, that's not gonna work. That's so gross. So I'm just gonna leave that out here. Okay, back into the refrigerator. So we have eggs. We buy a lot of this stuff right here. It's like jalapeno, sourdough, roasted garlic bread. It has like 5 different names to it, but I like this stuff. You can get so creative with it. Like you can eat it with almost any sauce. I really like ranch, so I eat this stuff with like ranch a lot. There's cheese in here. There's another loaf of that bread. And if you come down here, we have a pack of whipped cream, like 2 boxes of spinach. So that stuff is really good for you. Next time